Whether you're using Illustrator, Photoshop, GIMP, drawing it out by hand, you know that designing multi-layered stencils is a headache. Now, over the years, I have taught this method of multi-layered stencil design using Illustrator to some people in the real world. And the feedback I get about this from people is nearly always the same. The learning curve is really steep. Okay, so I've learnt it, but it's still really hard. There are so many things to get wrong. I have to keep going back and redoing my design. What the is a compound path anyway? This is taking hours of my time. I just want to paint. And as an artist with years of stencil design experience under my belt, do you know what I say to these people? I completely agree. I've always thought that the process of multi-layered stencil design is pretty inefficient and very time consuming, especially for artists out there that are already in business and using multi-layered stencils as part of their commissions that they sell. Trust me, I have searched for years for another solution. But apart from a few pricey Adobe plugins and some stencil generator websites, both of which are no way near my standards of stencil design, as in they are straight up dog shit, I honestly couldn't find anything that would even help, let alone create something that I would present to my client base or my collectors. And that left me with this elongated design process to still keep generating the best results in my artwork. So I thought, if I can't see it, I'm just gonna have to create it. So I did. And Stencil Lab was born. I set myself a goal with Stencil Lab to turn hours of design work into seconds whilst maintaining the quality of the final painting. So after several months of grueling AI model training and plenty of failures, we've done it. With Stencil Lab, you can upload any image and watch it turn into a perfect multi-layer stencil in seconds. Actually, more like a split second. You also have access to advanced editing tools, and I've made sure that we're hitting every single pain point in the stencil design process. Background removal, automatic bridging. You can decide if you want to paint it in color or grayscale. Choose from a single layer up to a 20-layer stencil. Customize your crosshatch registration marks. Export in PNGs, SVGs, DXFs, or all of them. And if you haven't quite got the time or equipment to cut your stencil kits, don't worry, we've got some lab rats that can do that for you. That's not even the best part, you're gonna love this. We took every color from all the major spray paint manufacturers all over the world and fed them into our algorithm. So all you need to do is pick your favorite brand of paint, and Stencil Lab will match the colors to every single layer for you. And you can change the colors in real time on every layer so you can see exactly how each paint will affect your design. So all Stencil Lab needs is the image you want to make into a stencil, the paint you want to use, and we'll do the rest. Still don't believe me? Well, obviously, I've been running some tests. Some of you guys might remember this painting, my MLK portrait. This guy right here was 7 hours to design. Well, I ran the same portrait through Stencil Lab. 1 second for the upload, 5 seconds for background removal, 3 seconds for the export. 7 hours, 8 seconds. Both to a standard that I would happily ship to my clients and collectors. For years at this point, artists are getting sick and tired of AI slop taking over the world. Well, at Stencil Lab, we beat AI at its own game by making it our bitch. You are part of a movement that creates more real artists creating more real art for real people in the real world. You can start making your designs for free on Stencil Lab, so I'll leave a link down below where you can make your free account. But be sure to come back here because I've got some tutorials for you guys, which is just going to show you how much easier your life is going to be as an artist with Stencil Lab.